really think academics has helped you to reach at this position?
Definitely, yes. First of all, thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to share my views. It is always a special feeling to be speaking to the students of my alma mater. Of course, now coming to your question, the academics, yes, it definitely, is important. The basics, what we learn and which we have to implement is definitely from what we have learned. If we had not learned, say, labor laws, I wouldn't have been able to deal with the LTAs, which I have closed. If I hadn't learned about maybe Maslow's triangle or something like that, all the OD instruments which we had learned, I would not know how an employee thinks after certain years of his experience. Had I not learned how employee engagement plays a role in an organization, how an engaged employee is different from a satisfied employee, I don't think I would have actively supported Suzlon win a Great Place to Work award for the first time in their history. So this is definitely, academics is definitely important, definitely.
What challenges you faced during this journey and how you have overcome these problems?
Station. The first thing is when you start comparing. I will say I did that in my initial career. My friends are in IT. I am getting a salary of 6 figures, 5,000, 6,000. They are already drawing 10,000. So later, which I understood, the learning what they had and what I had, the building's foundation is very important, they say. So the foundation had been created really very strong. So there should not be any comparison. Number one, it only adds up to your foe and it only adds up to your frustration. So no comparison. And at times, even the works are so much, you will think, yeah, this is it. I will not go to the office tomorrow. I quit. You will have this. I have this panic attacks at least once a year. I will say I have this panic attacks. But then I sleep with this thought and next morning I'm fresh again to go to work. So there are ups and downs. I'll say there are more ups and maybe not much lows, but yes, there are lows in every journey. Everyone faces it. So we just have to face it boldly, fiercely is very important, and not to get frustrated ever, ever, ever.
What you liked most about AISSMS group?
Wonderful faculties. In spite of us being the first year of the college, we had the best of faculties. I mean, can you believe it? Shezwalkar sir had come to our college. I mean, he is the Shezwalkar. He had come down to our college. So we have had best of faculties, best of the visiting faculties, and for the guest lectures, best of them. In spite of being the first year, I'm saying, first year people are really apprehensive to spend on the faculties. Faculties are apprehensive to come to the college, but the tag of SSPMS or AISSMS has helped us overcome all of that. When I actually talk to people in other big colleges, they were like, we almost have the same faculties here. Yeah, we do have the same faculties. So the college name then did not do much of difference. But yes, the faculties did difference. So it was like Symbiosis, Pumba, AISSMS. Faculties remain the same. So the learning remains the same. It was that way.
Okay. And my last question to you, ma'am, what message would you like to give to our students to succeed in their corporate careers?
I'll repeat one thing again. Everything does not go as per your own plan. Everything is destined, everything is fated, but yes, hard work plays a very important. I have worked in the offices till night 1, 2 also. I have worked till 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock also at Katrash. My papa used to come in the car, stay down, pick me up. My family has enormously supported me. So success does not come easily, 1. 2 is never ever to get frustrated. This is a very, very common scenario which we see in the ongoing young people, which we see. They get frustrated at very, very small things. They get real frustration at very, very small things. I have a junior HR team also under me. ऐसा नहीं होता. you know, ऐसा नहीं होता पर यहाँ पर ऐसा होता है. So you have to get used to the working culture of any organization. Everything and anything cannot change overnight. You have to give it time to change. So no frustration. Having a defined career path is very important. Very important. You just can't take things as they come. If you want to be an entrepreneur after 15 years of experience, you have to work towards it. You have to gain education. You have to gain experience accordingly. Now we have few engineering graduates from different IITs and few management graduates from IIM, which we had picked up last year. So that first year assignments of 4 months is over. So now they are finally placed. I was aghast talking to them. I was bewildered. The way they have their career plans set in their mind is just astonishing, which probably we didn't have 15 years back. They have a very clear picture path of their career, how they want to be after 3 years, how they want to be after 6 years, after 10 years, after 15 years. They have a complete planning of their future ahead. This is something very important because of the increasing competition which we have now. So no frustration, hardworking, very important, sincerity is very important, and planning of your career is very important.
Describe AISSMS IOM in one word.
Fantastic.
Your favorite faculty during college time.
Dr. Sanjay Patankar.
One favorite activity during your college days.
Inter-college activity.
One college friend you miss a lot.
Sanjeev.
Best nickname you ever had during college time.
I don't know why.
Any name?
They used to call me my Elu Milu. I don't know why, but still they call me that.
Okay. It's a good name, but job or business?
Job.
Last book you read?
I've done an online session on talent management. So that's the last book I have read on talent management.
Okay. On the scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you about your life right now?
11.
Okay, good. Describe your life using a film title.
Kal ho na ho.
Okay. And last question for you. What lockdown taught you?
Dependence, rather being self-dependent. No mates, self-dependent.